get. Ting a grip on present perfect tense. Mastering phrasal verbs with get. Hello language learners. Welcome back to our journey through the exciting world of phrasal verbs. Today, we are going to explore phrasal verbs with get in the present perfect tense. We've all heard it, and we've all used it, but do we truly understand it? Let's find out together. Before diving into our main topic, let's remind ourselves of what phrasal verbs with get are. Simply put, these are verbs combined with one or two particles, a preposition, an adverb, or both. For instance, get up, get out, and get on with are all examples of phrasal verbs with get. These versatile verbs can give your language skills a real boost, so it's important to know how to use them correctly. The present perfect tense is a little tricky for many learners, but it's all about practice. This tense is used to talk about actions that happened at an unspecified time before now, or actions that started in the past and continue to the present. It's formed using have, has plus the past participle of the main verb. For example, I have lived here for 5 years. Now, let's get down to the meat of the matter. Get phrasal verbs in the present perfect tense. We use the same structure, have, has plus past participle. But the past participle of get is gotten in American English, or got in British English. So, get up becomes have, has gotten up, or have, has got up. Let's look at some examples. 1. I have gotten up at 6 a.m. every day this week. 2. She has gotten out of some tricky situations recently. 3. We have got on with our project despite the challenges. It's always important to practice what we've learned. Try to create your own sentences using get phrasal verbs in the present perfect tense. Remember, practice makes perfect. And there you have it, a complete guide to using get phrasal verbs in the present perfect tense. We hope you've gotten a good grasp of this essential aspect of English grammar. Keep practicing, keep exploring, and don't forget, English is a journey, not a destination. Happy learning!